Hello. See yourself as an expert. Do you know why? Because the moment you decide to start learning, practicing, and improve, you have already started walking the path of mastery. Hey, welcome on board to Learn with Grace 1. This channel is specifically designed for you. So no matter your age, background, or level of the knowledge of English language, you're highly welcomed. Yay! In this channel, we're going to learn English step by step in the simplest way and most practical way for you to be able to understand it with your own pace. We'll start from the foundation, that is the basics, learning the alphabet sounds, consonants, the consonant divisions of the alphabet, the consonant sounds. Will proceed into word blending, pronunciation, two-letter word formations, and also the CVC, the consonant vowel consonant word formation. So by the time you grow in confidence, we'll move gradually from the spelling tips to pronunciation and also simple sentence construction, communication skill, vocabulary development, and more advanced English lessons. So to make learning very easy and enjoyable, I'm going to divide the lesson into different playlists to enable you learn at your own pace and also make it very enjoyable for you, just according to your knowledge level. So whether you're a beginner, you don't know nothing in the use of English language, just a beginner, or you just want to improve your use of English language, learning how to read confidently and to speak and also to spell, or you just want to improve your English skill, you definitely find lessons suitable for you because it will be well organized into different playlists. All right? Learning is fun if you dare, and it's very simple to understand things when you have the right educator. So subscribe for free, stay consistent, and join us in this exciting journey of you mastering the use of English language. Let's learn, grow, and improve. All right? Learning is fun if you dare. Click the subscription button and see you in the next video. Bye bye.